It's hot tonight. I got the fan going. It was hot today. I mean, it felt like springtime for sure. I had to have the fan blowing on me in the living room. Mila, with this hot weather and all, she's been shedding hairs like crazy. Oh, man. She can get up on your lap just for 1 minute in the chair and you got hairs all over. I mean, they're going in your face. They go in your mouth. You just trying to spit them out. Oh, man. Bad. And every morning when she gets up, she comes up here and she wallers off. She'll start over one side and go to waller, and then she'll waller over my whole head. She'll waller across my face. And I'm just bathed in dog hairs. I was combing my hair this morning, standing in front of the mirror, and I could just see dog hairs flying out of my hair. God. Oh, just choking on dog hair. And I'll be glad if she gets through this shedding season. And when we bathed her, just tons, gobs of dog hair came out. Tons of it was coming out. And it just never stops. It's just like an endless flow. She has a real thick coat. And it's probably an undercoat. Some dogs have that undercoat. Boy, do they shed a lot, especially in the springtime. Yeah. Well, I have to get up tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. No, I have to get up at 7. And I have to be at the clinic at 8 o'clock. Man, I hate getting up early. Oh, God, I hate it. Oh, it's miserable getting up so early. Then, because they want to take more blood and do more lab work, I don't know why. But one thing they want to do is take urine, because they're wanting to check out my kidney functions. They say from my last blood test, it looks like I'm in the latter stage of stage 3 kidney disease. I hope it's not going to be too bad. They told my dad he had kidney disease and he never had to have dialysis. He just didn't drink enough liquids. He was dehydrated all the time. That's what it was. I know I don't drink enough water because the tap water here tastes horrible. And bottled water tastes weird. It don't taste right. So it's just yuck. It's just yuck. After I get done at the clinic tomorrow, I'm going to go to Walmart and get a few canned foods and some cat food and just 2 or 3 other little things. And of course, I will have to go and inspect the yarn department. Now, that's a must. We don't have much of a yarn department at this Walmart. I mean, half of one side of an owl. That's all we have. It's just not even half of it. Less than that. Because at the end of the aisle, they've got the embroidery stuff. So all we have is just a little section, real little section of yarn. I don't know why, but it's frustrating. But I'm going to go see what they got. we can't let our yarn supply dwindle down. You know how that is. I've started another sweater. I'm making this one yellow with some black on it. For those are the colors of a motorcycle club that my husband's friends with, and whenever I make something yellow and black, sometimes they buy it. I've sold them a couple of pairs of gloves, yellow and black, and one or two snakes that I made yellow and black, and a scarf. We all saw that scarf with the skulls on it, sold that. But anyway, that's what's up. My husband did some weed eating in the backyard today. Other than that, there ain't been much going on. That's about all I can tell you right now. If I buy some yarn tomorrow, I might show it to you. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.